My name's Anthony. I'm from Ireland. My hair loss started around 21, 22. I'm also a barber. I was very aware of my hair receding, and eventually I just had enough. I'm 27 now, and I thought, with extensive research, I chose here. The surgery was amazing. The staff was even better. The nails were a bit sore going in at the start, and after that there was no pain. So it's just down to how strong you are in the first 5 minutes, you know. And that's it. I thought that it would make me younger looking because I'm a smoker, I like to drink, you know, so I want to look as young as possible for as long as possible. I done research. I was researching before and after. I looked at every photo from our clinics, and I thought that this would be the best. The result, it was tied between here and a different one, and you stole by a long shot based on the photos. Don't think twice about coming. If you're thinking about it, do it now. Life's too short. So if you're thinking about it and it's an investment, it's probably one of the best things I've ever done. If you want to invest in yourself, don't think twice.